I'm sharing my screen, Deepthi. You please guide me what is the exact issue that they are facing. I'll try to resolve it one by one. Okay.
Actually, there is a partner determination
Yeah.
in
While
customer
creating sales order, they are getting problem, or in customer master, they are getting problem.
customer master data only, sir.
Okay. Company code you told me
ABFR.
ABFR.
Yes. AFRA. Customer group.
Yeah.
Domestic customer.
No worries, no worries. We'll go with this.
Okay.
DMart or Walmart.
I think DMart.
Okay. ABFR
Sir, it's ends with
distribution.
31, sir.
Sir.
ABFR.
Yes, sir. The customer ID ends with 31.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Her name is Supriya.
Yeah, Supriya.
Actually, I forgot her name.
Hey, hi, Supriya.
Hi, sir.
So you are facing problem with this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your group 78A. Is it correct? Have you configured for this group only in partner determination?
Sir,
So in partner, okay, wait, no problem. What is your partner determination? Do you remember?
um, I'm searching, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, could you please repeat that question, sir?
ABFR. I'm checking. Give me 1 minute. Your partner
Okay.
determination. I think ABFR you have created, and this is what you have configured, and
AFRA, sir. AFRA and AFRB.
that is your customer groups you are talking, right?
Yes.
AFRA and
AFR.
AFRB. Okay, fine.
Actually, we are unable to visible your screen, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. Okay. So this is the customer. This is the company
Company.
code, sales organization, distribution channel, division. This is the customer. You are getting error for this customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So why you are getting error for this customer? So what is the error? The error is like this is the error. Okay. So whenever you are getting this error, this is purely depends because of the uh, partner determination. Okay. So what I have seen, what is the problem in your configuration? I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
This is the customer. You have created this customer. I'll go to the general data. Yeah. In this customer, if you see the administrative data, the group is B78A is the group. This is the group. Okay. But now I am checking your configurations in SD, whether you have done correct configurations or not.
Okay, sir.
Coming to your SD configurations, under partner determination, this is your partner determination, AF, ABFR. For this partner determination, this is fine. And what about this? What is your group? B78A. B78A. For B78A, your partner determination is different. So finally, what I am concluding here, you have created a customer with a different group and you are trying to keep this customer in your different company code or different sales organization, which is not mapped correctly.
It's AFRA kada, sir.
AFRA only. AFRA is your company code and your sales organization.
ABFR. It's my
Okay, okay.
AFR.
ABFR is your company code and sales organization. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
In this company code, this is the customer you have created. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
What is the customer group you have to use? You have to use this customer group, AFRA, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But what you have used? You have used B78A. Do you agree with me? If you don't agree, see here. You can see, you can go to extras, administrative data, see the account group. While creating the customer, you have taken wrong group. That is the problem.
Okay, sir.
You have taken wrong group here and you are trying to maintain the partner determination. So partner roles, so which is not accepting. Sorry, partner functions, which is not accepting. Because that group is not configured, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the issue. Hope you are clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay.
create a correct customer, create a customer again with correct group, then you will not get any issues. Don't use this customer. If you want to use this customer, then this group also you have to configure, which will be complex for you. Simply create new customer and please proceed.
Okay, sir.
Hope you are clear now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dipti. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.